Hello everyone, I am Teacher Sunny and welcome to our math class.
In this video, we are going to learn how to solve or find the value of x in an inequality and also how to draw the range of this inequality. Let's have an example. For example, we have 1 over 4 multiplied to 2x plus 5 more than equal to 1 over 3 times 3x plus 2. First, we have to take out the fraction so that it is easier for us to solve or to multiply the number outside to the number inside the parentheses. How can we take out? We're using or by using the multiplicative property. When we use multiplicative property, we want to make a number become 1. So we want to make our fractions 1 over 4 and 1 over 3 become 1. And we can do it by multiplying it to another fraction or dividing it to another fraction, or multiply to another number or divide it by another number. Now, to make it become 1, we have to make something that a numerator will be equal to the denominator, which means since this is 4, we have to multiply it by 4. So we can take it and become 1. Now, when we do something to the left side of the equation, we have to do it also on the right side. So we have to multiply this one by 4. Same goes with our fraction over 3. Multiply it by 3 and multiply the other side as well by 3. What do we have left is 4 and 3 times 2, 3 and 2 times 5. We're going to rewrite it again. We have 3 multiplied by 2x plus 5 more than equal to 4 multiplied by 3x plus 2. We're going to do the distributive property. Multiply 3 to 2x and to 5. Multiply 4 to 3x and to 2. So 3 times 2x is 6x plus 3 times 5 is 15 more than equal to 4 times 3x. 12x 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Now we have to make our x on the left, or we can also still make it on the right. It is important that our x will be on the left side of the inequality equation and it is always positive. Now if we're going to do, there can be two methods or two ways to do it. That is, first we have it like this. First we are going to apply the additive property, and when we use additive property it will become 0. So we are going to add here negative 12x so that this will become 0. Again, the same here. We're going to do it on the other side. Add it with negative 12x because our goal here is to put your x on the left side of the equation. We don't mind if it is positive or it is a negative x. Now we have also to take out the 15 so that it will become 0 by adding negative 15, by adding also the other side with negative 15. So this will become 0. What left on this side is 6x plus negative 12x. On the other hand, we have 8 plus negative 15. We have 6x plus negative 12x is equal to negative 6x less than equal to 8 plus negative 15, which is equal to negative 7. Now here, our x is negative. If our x is negative, we are going to change all the values and also the symbols that we have in the problem. This will become positive 6x. This will become more than, will become less than equal, and negative 7 will become positive 7. And then we are going to apply the multiplicative property. Why multiplicative property? Because here 6x means 6 times x. We are going to use multiplication. Multiply it by 1 over 6 because our goal is that it will become 1. Or we can also just do it like this. Divide by 6 and also do it on the other side. Take out, it will become 1. So our x is less than equal to 7 over 6. And if we're going to draw it on a number line, since it is a less than equal symbol, we are going to use a solid circle. And less than means it will be going to the left. And we're going to put here 7 over 6. What about the other one? The other method requires us to put our x as positive. Put our x as positive. Since 6x is smaller than 12x, we are going to be moving the 6x from the left to the right, or add negative 6x on both sides so that it will be taken out and will become 0. We have going to have here a positive 6x. But we still have our 8, so we are going to add a negative 8 on both sides so that this will become 0 and we will not put it on the other side anymore. And 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. As we can see, our x is positive. Now, we are just going to interchange it, and if we're going to rotate it like 360, it will look like this. And if we're going to rewrite that properly, it will become 6x is less than equal to 7. And you can see from both sides on this part of the problem or the method, they are now looking the same. Divided by 6 again so that we can take it out and become 1. We have x is less than equal to 7 out of 6, which will also be the same answer and will give us the same value of range in a number line.